All right, I'm ready. So we were done with our framing of our parapet roofs. We just sheeted them today, and then we put up the fascia board, and then they put up the drip edge, and then now they're ready to put their sheeting on there. All right, Rosie, so wherever I put an X right here, looks like we just missed one. This is a seam, so it's every 6 inches. And then over here, we just need a few extra here on the outside. And then I haven't checked the middle yet, but. Oh, and then if you want, do you have your speed square with you?
Yeah.
So for the scupper, we'll come straight out here.
4 inches?
Yeah, 4 inches to there. So you'll probably have to get your oscillating tool out for that.
Yeah. And then what were you saying about covering this?
So just half-inch piece of sheeting on the top here. While we're doing that, come down here, I'll show you. It's gonna pool, it's gonna puddle there.
I see.
So that brings this up all the way to the top. That marries up to this side, it's the same height. That water will run where it's supposed to and not run down into the wall. Okay? So those two things. I'll finish marking the nails, this, and then cut out that, and then you guys, I'll have him come check you again. This board is good. Just a few extra nails, and then those two things, and we can start on the fascia board and the drip edge, okay?
Okay.
Here's this back for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, just working within the parameters of what we have here, that could be a little bit tricky, but you know, everybody's doing really well and staying positive and knocking it out. It's going to be how many inches wide? Do we remember? 8 inches wide?
8 inches wide.
Okay, and we just come in here. We're going to go 4 inches out. Okay, so you just cut this out. That's going to be the room for your scupper, okay? Now, do we remember how the paper goes down?
Yes.
And the scupper goes in?
Yeah.
So we're going to cut this out, all right? Then we're going to put the paper in here. We're going to bring it out to the edge. Then we're going to put the scupper on top of that. Well, actually, we'll put the mastic down, then we'll put the scupper down, and we'll put more roofing on top of it, okay?
Okay, so we're putting a layer of paper, then the scupper. No, paper, then the mastic, then the scupper.
Yep.
And then
more on top of that.
more paper or more mastic?
Yes, more mastic.
More mastic,
Yep.
okay.
Yep. So basically, that's going to have 2 layers on it, and then you're going to have elastomeric all over the whole thing. So I'm going to bring you that 1 gallon tub that we have, and that's specifically designed for scuppers, okay? We're going to have that in, and then we'll have the elastomeric on top of it. We're going to have 3 coats of that, 6-inch coverage on either side, and all you have to do is just cut this out real quick.
Yeah, what would be the best tool to cut this out with since we've already nailed it in?
So we would have done it with a circular saw before this came in here,
Right.
but you're going to use an oscillating tool now.
The oscillating
Okay?
tool. Okay.
And then I need to cover this up with 1.5 inch strip of 1/2 inch sheeting. Okay, all the way down this top rim joist. And what that does is it makes it level with the other side, and it comes to this edge. What's going to happen is this is going to be higher than your outside rim joist, and water is going to pool this way. So what we're doing is we're just adding that 1.5 inch, 1/2 inch sheeting right here, so that it's as high as this one. That way the water runs down to the scupper and not down in here into the walls.
Okay.
So that's what I need you to do. I'll check your nails as soon as you get all this done, but cut out the scupper and cut out the 1.5 inch sheet all the way across, all the way down.
Okay. Again.
All right, so you got the 1.5 inch sheets that are going up for the rim joist?
Yep, just gonna attach these ones up there, and then I should be ready to do the drip edge.
Okay, looks like you already got your fascia board up. Jasper, you're a heck of a hard worker. Head of the team. All right, let's go up there and see what you got. Jasper already cut out your 4x8. This is where your scupper is gonna go. Do you remember how we're gonna do the scupper, the layers of the paper and all that good stuff? Do you remember how we did that last time?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, so we're just gonna roll the paper all the way down and out right there. We're gonna put the mastic down, and then we're gonna put the scupper on, and then more mastic on top of that, right?
Yep.
Okay, and then we'll do the elastomeric all the way around on top, and we're gonna try to get 3 layers of that.
Okay, cool, sounds good.
And we'll overlap that paper at least 6 inches all the way around. But this is good, I like this. This coming up right to the edge of your fascia board, that's gonna allow for that water to run back down off the drip edge. So That's perfect. That's exactly what we needed. And you only have what, another 1.5 foot pieces?
Yeah, I just got to cut that piece.
And then you'll be ready for paper?
Drip edge and then paper.
Oh yeah, we got drip edge.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go grab you some drip edge. See if we got some of that down there.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Good
right.
job, Jasper.
Thank you.
Quite a few pieces there. All right, so we got the fascia on. Now we're gonna get the drip edge on. You remember how this drip edge goes, Jasper?
Pretty sure.
So we remember we cut the top, right? So we put in the roofing nails. Then we make a slit right there at the corner. We also make a tiny cut at the bottom, bend it around, and then just keep it going. We just want to make sure that we're staying safe here at this school, getting them having good practices, good muscle memory, so when they go out into the field that they're going to be using all the safety techniques that they've learned here and all the rules and codes that go along with OSHA. They can use that out in the field and be successful.